Mangalayatan University organized their 10th convocation. Mangalayatan University Aligarh organized its 10th convocation on 4 July Thursday. Former Army Chief Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh, as known as VK Singh, was the chief guest in this convocation. Aligarh Muslim University's Vice Chancellor Professor Naima Khatun, Guruji Rishiraj Maharaj, Vice Chancellor of Mangalayatan Universities Achyutanand Mishra and Chairman Mr. Hemant Goyal were present as special guests in the event. The ceremony began with lighting a lamp in front of Ma Saraswati, then Gayatri Mantra and Kulgeet were presented.
मंगलमय सद शिक्षालय मंगलायतन विश्वविद्यालय मंगलायतन विश्वविद्यालय.
Guests were welcomed by Registrar Brigadier Samarveer Singh. VC Professor P.K. Dashora presented the annual report and administered the oath to the degree recipients. Students attended the convocation in traditional Indian attire. Degrees were awarded to 2,218 students in the convocation ceremony. Out of this, 11 were awarded gold medals and 12 were awarded silver medals. Degrees were also awarded to 37 PhD students. Mangalayatan University has so far provided scholarships worth 5 crore rupees to 350 needy girl students. On this occasion, Vice Chancellor Professor Siddhi Viresham, Journalism and Mass Communication Department Chairman Dr. Santosh Kumar Gautam, Gopal Rajput, Manisha Upadhyay, Jitendra Yadav, Yogesh Kaushik, Mayank Jain, Veer Pratap Singh, Robin Verma, etc. were present. General Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh said that your journey has just begun and the world is waiting for your contribution. This moment today is a symbol of hard work, dedication and perseverance. Congratulations to all of you for this remarkable achievement. Sharing his journey from Indian Army Chief to becoming a member of Parliament, he said that after every mission we did review to identify lessons and areas of improvement. You should adopt lifelong learning in your career. Take feedback, reflect and try to improve.
And as I was sitting here trying to see you, trying to see how things are going, this was also a learning process. So my humble advice to you is, keep your minds open. Do not think that I'm out of university, so my learning has stopped. Your learning has just begun, because life has many lessons which have not been taught in the university. And keep your minds open. Keep your minds open, keep a smile on your face, and I'm sure you will succeed.
Chancellor Achyutanand Mishra said that the education received here by the graduating students has prepared you not only for personal success but also for making meaningful contributions to society. The university has received the prestigious A+ accreditation from NAC. Soon the university will also have international accreditations. VC Professor P.K. Dashora said that when you leave here, you will take the spirit of the university with you. Maintain our values of ethics, teamwork, community service and environmental consciousness. Our motto, learn today to lead tomorrow, will guide you.
आज जब मैं आपके सम्मुख खड़ा हूँ, मुझे इस विश्वविद्यालय के शैशवकाल से आज के तरुण बनने तक की यात्रा अपनी मानस पटल पर दिखाई दे रही है. देश के अनेक विद्वान, शिक्षा शास्त्री और राजनेता यहाँ पधारे हैं. यह यात्रा बहुत सुखद और संतोषप्रद रही है. उन सभी 2,218 स्नातकों को जो आज अपनी डिग्री, डिप्लोमा और प्रमाण पत्र प्राप्त कर रहे हैं, मैं अपनी हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ. आपका समर्पण, दृढ़ता और कड़ी मेहनत आपको जीवन के इस महत्वपूर्ण दिन तक ले आई है. आप में से प्रत्येक अपने परिवारों द्वारा हम पर रखे गए भरोसे का प्रमाण है. आपके माता पिता और अभिभावक, जिन्होंने अपनी उम्मीदें और सपने हमें सौंपे थे, आज आपकी उपलब्धियों पर गर्व कर सकते हैं कि आपने यहाँ जो शिक्षा प्राप्त की है, उसने आपको न केवल व्यक्तिगत सफलता के लिए बल्कि समाज में सार्थक योगदान देने के लिए भी तैयार किया है.
That's it for today's video. Like, subscribe and keep watching us on Vidya Life. Join us on the most informative YouTube channel and our other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and X to stay updated. Join our WhatsApp chat at 9289114393 and send help, and your one word can lead you to the brighter future to kickstart your success journey with your personalized career counseling. For more queries or any questions and suggestions, your one comment is enough. Feel free to drop a comment or email us at info@vidyalife.com. Thanks for watching.